It's Tips and Tricks Tuesday with TSN. Did you know that our digital signage platform seamlessly integrates with leading security providers? With CAP integration, you can connect your TSN platform to your existing infrastructure so you can send emergency alerts directly to screens. Navigate to Alerts. Select Create Alert and select the type of integration you would like to connect. Name your alert, add buildings and screens, customize your theme, then click Done to save. After saving, the new alert will show in the module and, by default, will open the Edit CAP integration and integration instruction dialog boxes. For the alert to start displaying on the assigned screens, it needs to be activated following the instructions. The screen will show an integration instruction instead of a Disable button until it is completed through the CAP website with instructions. Reach out for more information.